Hi dear patients, I am the chef nurse of Dr. Karaaltin hair team. Today I want to talk about women hair transplant. Hair loss can occur in women due to many reasons. 80% hair loss in women is male type hair loss. Male type hair loss causes enlargement, especially on the forehead. In this case, it causes serious loss self-confidence in women. The biggest question in women hair transplant is, do we shave the hair in women hair transplant? The answer is no. The biggest natural accessory of women in their life is the hair. One of the biggest reasons in why hair transplant is so common in women nowadays that the hair doesn't need to shave during the surgery. In women, we can apply forehead narrowing according to the muscles and the face type of the patients without shaving the hair with the hair transplant process. In our clinic, we apply the Sapphire FUE and DHI methods, which are the most up-to-date methods in female hair transplant. We can apply these two methods to our patients according to the needs and wishes of the patients. With the Sapphire FUE method, we can get much more density and natural result, especially in forehead narrowing surgeries. That is in the operations performed on bald areas. We use the DHI methods in especially our patients with hair loss due to genetic reasons or later on. The reason why we prefer the DHI method in these patients, it makes it possible to make the sparse areas much more dense by implanting easily, with special pens without cutting their hair. In addition, we highly prefer this method as these special pens don't damage the patient's own hair. If you want to get more information about hair transplant procedures, please contact us. Thank you.